When you're chronically physically ill, how do you find purpose in life? I think that is the hardest question to find an answer to. Intellectually, you know what to do to be more positive, but where do you get the motivation? Added to the physical malady is the vulnerability to depression. Between the physical abnormalities and the depression, sleep can become the only respite. Though you may want to, you can't sleep 24/7. However, when awake, the pain or discomfort may seem monotonous. Experiencing the joys of life becomes an impossibility. Not knowing when a symptom will flare up prevents living a normal life. This makes it difficult to possess a purpose in life. Seeking support from others with the same maladies can be a two-edged sword. On the one hand, it may be a source of support. On the other hand, it can bring you down with hearing a never-ending deluge of people complaining about their ailments. How do you keep from going around in a circle that goes nowhere? The following are a few ideas to consider. They are in no particular order. Look to do the things that make you feel better. Once you identify those things, push yourself to experience them. It could be taking a warm bath. It could be writing a book. It could be reactivating a favorite former hobby. It could be reactivating relationships with family and/or friends. Acknowledge that the pain is part of your life. Although it may be hard to accept, experiencing any life is something that must be faced. Explore non-invasive treatments. Non-invasive treatments, such as yoga, meditation, massage therapy, and aquatics, to mention a few, can help relieve the daily grind. Beyond the pain, think about what gifts you have versus what is lacking. This is easier said than done, but it is vital to move beyond the stagnation you may be feeling. This can take different forms. You can create art, get involved in horticulture, write a book or short story, or start a business that addresses some unmet need. You can also advocate for a cause related to your struggles or become involved in political activism around medical issues. Seek opportunities to volunteer or work a few hours a week doing something you like or are interested in. This can bring you personal satisfaction and relief from negative self-talk. Partner with your healthcare provider. While educating yourself about your illness, you can decide what is possible for you to do to enhance your health. Know your body. Be aware of what your body is telling you about what you can and cannot do. Prioritize tasks based on your body's energy. Incorporate rest breaks as part of your daily routine to avoid burnout. Set daily goals. Setting small and achievable goals can bring you a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Each completion, no matter how small, contributes to a larger purpose. Reach out to others, knowing that you are not alone. Isolating yourself does you no good. Connecting with the community, whether through church groups, civic organizations, or political entities, can help you feel more fulfilled and empowered. Turning your pain into finding purpose requires introspection, acceptance, and determination. It's about reframing your way of thinking and behaving that pushes you forward despite the physical and emotional barriers. Too often, the pain begins to identify who you are, thereby reinforcing feelings of stagnation and a defeatist attitude. Remember that you define yourself, not your illness or others. Every new day provides possibilities for growth and fulfillment.